Everybody, we are going to be doing DNA for our first week. So I am going to go ahead and show you how to make a playlist if you don't know how to already. This is your playlist if you don't need to watch everything. Okay, so it's 15 total. Okay, in order to make this, here's your home screen. You're going to click on Cephi, the second from the last. You're going to click Custom Playlist, and then you're going to press the plus sign. And then you'll name it DNA Repair or whatever you'd like to name it. And then you're going to click on the box right here in the middle. And then this will allow you to come down and open things up and add things. Okay, so I'm going to get out of that. Delete, back. And now when I've already made it, but I'll show you how I do it. Okay, so we're going to go in and edit. You don't have to do that part because you're already there, right? We're going to start down at Energy Homeoenergetics. So you're going to click on that first. And this is what you're going to add. When you click on it, it turns green. Okay, so you're going to add anti-stress support, Nerve Easy Plus, Sora Plus. We're going after the miasms for DNA, psychosis, and syphilinium, right? All these things that have been passed down to us through our genes. You're going to scroll up and then you click on energy again and it just collapses it and makes it more manageable. Okay, then we're going to go into quantum frequency and we're going to scroll down, down, down until we see cerebral spinal problems. We're going to be targeting the brain and the spine and the blood, cleans blood plasma. You're going to click on that to turn it green. And then we will scroll down until we see eye nerve pain. 80% of us are having issues with the eyes and the nerve. So we're going to add that. Everyone can benefit from that. We're going to go down to click on meningitis. Not that we have it, but again, it targets the brain and the spine. Nerve stimulator. Shock. And then trauma. We carry all the shock and trauma from all of our ancestors. So that's why I am adding those. We're going to collapse that. Okay, we should have 3 more to add. So it's up to you. You can add anything from this quantum reach for that. Okay, I've chosen health, strength, and recovery, love, forgiveness, and gratitude. And then I actually went down to affirmations for that third one for her, and we're going to do perfect health for her. Okay, you can put in those last 3. You can choose any 3 from quantum reach or quantum affirmations, right? Immune support would be great, health, pain-free, sleep well if you're having issues. You can choose any of the ones you'd like. After you have 15, it says 15 out of 15, you're just going to click save. And so now it will be here. So in order, now we know where we are, but let's just say we don't know where we are. How do we get back to that? We click on Cephi. You click on custom playlists. You're going to press the down arrow here and you're going to click on DNA repair. When you click on DNA repair, it comes up. You're just going to click individual and then you're going to click continuous broadcast. It's going to cycle through here. Okay. So for this one, I'm going to edit it and we're going to do 10 minutes a day. If you have some weird symptoms, you can try 4 or 5 minutes. That's fine. And you can go from there. All right. Thanks so much.